Welcome to JH. If you're currently tearing your hair out trying to decide between the VSeeBox V3 Plus and the V3 Elite, this quick comparison breaks down the speed, stability, and which box actually deserves a spot under your TV. The V3 Plus is essentially the sleek, focused athlete of the group. It's faster, simpler, and significantly more stable because it sticks to the core heat apps and live TV. Because let's be honest, there's nothing quite like a mid-movie crash to remind you of your poor life choices. While the V3 Plus keeps things lean, the V3 Elite offers a massive library of third-party apps like Netflix and Disney+, but it pays the price by running on an older Android OS. This means the Elite can be a bit temperamental, making the V3 Plus the better choice for anyone who just wants their TV to work without a fight. If you're the type who needs every single bell and whistle and doesn't mind the occasional digital tantrum, the Elite is there for you. It's the perfect choice for people who enjoy troubleshooting their hardware more than actually watching the show. However, for those who want the absolute best performance, users usually point toward the newer Elite Ultra. This powerhouse combines top-tier hardware with advanced features like split-screen multitasking and DVR, finally giving you a reason to use that high-speed internet you pay way too much for. To summarize, the V3 Plus is your go-to for reliability and speed, especially if you value a dependable experience with the main apps. If you need every app under the sun and have the budget for it, the Elite Ultra or the newer V6 Ultra with Android 14 is the top-tier play. Just be prepared for potential instability on the Elite if you wander too far away from the core apps. Truly, a device that can handle your multitasking indecisiveness and split screen is a beautiful thing. Thanks for watching.